Hi, I'm Cherie Hoffmann at Acura Brant, and today we're going to do a quick walk around on the 2018 MDX Elite. What I'm going to be showing you today is tidbits of random information. One of the questions I do get asked is about the AcuraLink system. So the AcuraLink system consists of two buttons on the inside. The one is the blue link button. The other one is the red assist button. So today we're going to go ahead and push the blue link button.
AcuraLink Information Services.
So that's what's happening in the top screen there. So it says it's obviously contacting, and you're going to end up with 3 automated choices.
Calls may be recorded or monitored for these purposes. Welcome to AcuraLink. Day overview, new destination, AcuraLink role.
So obviously you can tell them verbally exactly what you wanted, or you could choose obviously 1, 2, or 3. The other thing about this one is we can actually go down here and we can end the call. Now, if we were going to push the red one, which we're not going to, so it is under this little protective piece of plastic here. If we were to push this button, we would not get an automated person. We would actually get a real person to answer the phone, because it's for an emergencies only. The other thing about that as well is we would not have the option to end the call. So that's actually why I'm not going to be pushing that button today. Okay, so this one's going to be what happens if I have to fill my truck with a jerry can. So I'm just going into the trunk. I'm opening up this little back flap here. As you can see, there's another compartment. I'm picking it up with this little piece of ribbon. And if we look underneath here, we do see where the jack, tow hook, and everything else is. But we will find on this side, it says emergency refueling funnel if equipped. And sure enough, it's equipped. So I'm going to take this little piece here. And we do have the Capless system. So I'm just going to put that in, put it all the way down in there, and then you can fill the truck up with a jerry can. Okay, so another question I keep getting asked is, how does this middle seatbelt work? So what I normally do is when I unbuckle it, I actually use this part of the seatbelt to actually undo it. So if we kind of look on the opposite side here, there's 2 little arrows that are obviously facing each other. Then there's this little cutout piece. So I normally take this, use this as a tool, and unlock it. Then this retracts into the ceiling, and you got your 1 and your 2. So if you're carrying only, 2 passengers back here, at least this keeps it into the ceiling, keeps it nice and clean and out of the way. And then when you want to go use it, exactly like what we just did, so I just pull it out, and then pull out the second part, and then just do the opposite. So I find the little arrow on here, and I line it up with this arrow that's on here. I can snap it in. It's nice and tight. And again, when the person goes in, then you can just do it. Then you have your 3-point seatbelt system for the middle row and the second your middle seat in the second row.